Microscopes are one of those categories where the spec sheet can send you in the wrong direction. Big magnification numbers get all the attention, but in day-to-day use, clarity, lighting, and ease of use matter more. In this guide, we'll cover what actually matters, then get straight into the budget, value, and premium picks. We've included updated links with the best pricing in the description below. When choosing a microscope, focus on usable magnification, not just the highest number on the box. In practice, a scope that's clearer and easier to focus at lower and mid magnifications is often more useful than one chasing an inflated top-end claim. A common mistake is buying for the biggest number rather than for the kinds of slides and specimens you'll actually look at. Next is lighting and contrast control. Good top and bottom illumination can make a real difference because different specimens respond better to different lighting setups. Transparent samples, opaque objects, and home experiments all benefit from some flexibility here. A common mistake is assuming all microscopes light samples equally well. Finally, think about workflow and ease of use. The best microscope for most people is the one you'll actually set up and keep using. A common mistake is overbuying for edge cases and ending up with something more advanced, but less inviting to use. We looked across a wide range of popular and well-reviewed options in this category. Many are solid, but once you factor in reliability, ownership experience, and overall value, a smaller group stands out more consistently. Here are the 3 picks that make the most sense for most buyers. If you find this breakdown helpful, feel free to drop a quick like and subscribe for future reviews like this. The best budget pick is the Fitense Monocular Microscope, usually in the $60 range. This is a strong entry point because it gives you a real beginner compound microscope experience without drifting into toy-only territory, and it includes enough to start exploring right away. For students, curious adults, or families, it offers a lot for the money. You get a 40x to 2000x setup with multiple objective and eyepiece combinations, which gives beginners room to learn how magnification changes what they see. More importantly, it's capable of viewing real biological samples, so this is not just a novelty desk object. The dual LED light system helps in practice, since top and bottom lighting make it easier to work with different specimen types. The included color filter wheel, slides, cover slips, and storage bag add real starter value, and the rotating eyepiece and phone holder can make it easier to share what's on the slide. The trade-off is that optical quality is still limited compared with the tiers above, especially as magnification climbs. But at this price, the Fitense still delivers the kind of hands-on experience that makes people want to keep using a microscope. The best value pick is the Pali Partners Compound Microscope, usually in the $130 range. This is the one that best balances price, performance, and reliability because it feels like a meaningful step up from the budget option without jumping into enthusiast pricing. For most buyers, this is where the category starts to make the most sense. It uses a WF-25X eyepiece with 4X, 10X, and 40X objectives, but the more important part is how the whole package comes together in actual use. The dual control focus system gives you more precise adjustment, which matters when you're trying to get a clean view rather than just a bigger image. Dual LED lighting with brightness control and a condenser helps with contrast, while the included STEM kit, prepared slides, phone adapter, and carrying case make it feel more complete than a stripped-down starter model. It also stays approachable for students, families, and casual home learning. Its main compromise is that some convenience extras, especially the phone adapter, feel more useful in concept than especially polished in execution. Still, this is the default recommendation for most people because it lands in the sweet spot between beginner-friendly and genuinely worthwhile long-term. The best premium pick is the Woersch Trinocular Microscope, usually in the $280 range. What you gain here is not just a higher number on the box. You're paying for more serious microscope architecture, more image control, and a higher ceiling if you want to grow into the hobby or use it for more involved study. The trinocular design is the big step up. It lets you use eyepieces and a camera workflow more naturally, which is useful for documentation, sharing, and learning on a computer screen. The wide-angle eyepieces, adjustable refractive settings, and pupil distance controls also make it easier to tailor the viewing experience to the user. Its achromatic objective system is aimed at better clarity and resolution, and that extra cost tends to show up when you start pushing magnification higher. You also get dual coarse and fine focusing, a double-layer stage, and a broader accessory kit, all of which make it feel closer to a real school lab or early college microscope than a casual starter model. The main limitation is that it asks more from the user. Setup, especially around higher magnification and camera use, can take some trial and error. But if budget is not the main constraint, this makes sense for serious hobbyists, advancing students, educators, and anyone who wants a microscope. They're less likely to outgrow quickly. Links to all three picks are in the description below with current pricing. Thanks for watching, and we hope this made the decision a little clearer around what actually fits your needs.